Hey guys, welcome back. Nate here with Restoration Made Simple. I have 3 questions for you today. Number 1, if you could add 10 to 20% to each one of your estimates, how much would that help you profit with your company? Number 2, do you feel like you're wasting a lot of time trying to write estimates? As the papers pile up, as you have a million photos you got to go through, trying to figure out all the line items on Xactimate. Number 3, do you feel like your team may not have the skills or the expertise to actually write a good, clean, concise estimate? If you answered yes to any one of these questions, we want to let you know that RMS is here for you. We have a team of dedicated estimate writers who have an average of over 15 years out in the field writing estimates. One thing that we do that separates us from all the competition is when we write an estimate, each one of our estimate writers is putting in there things that you either missed or things that you should be doing so that you can take it back to your team, you can train them, and you can show them items that you could be billing for that you're currently not taking advantage of. If these are things that would be of interest for you, reach out to us now and we'd be able to answer any questions that you might have.